Commission is actually a creature of Parliament, and it came into existence on the 2nd of October 2012. Prior to the Commission being formed, what used to happen was that laws were being created, and in terms of revision of those laws or perfecting of those laws, that was pretty much done external to St. Kitts-Nevis. But the Commission mandate gives us the commission, so to speak, to revise, perfect, consolidate the laws of the Federation. So the Law Commission has basically two mandates: to reform the law and to revise the law. When it comes to reforming the law, that specifically deals with things like creating new laws that which may be different to what exists now on the statute books in St. Kitts-Nevis. Reforming the law also includes deleting or getting rid of old laws that are no longer applicable to the historical, economic, political circumstances of St. Kitts-Nevis. Because there are some laws in our books which are pretty much outdated, and they don't particularly fit to the current circumstances, social, economic, political, and so on, circumstances of St. Kitts-Nevis. So for that reason, a law reform project will involve assessing the developments from an economic standpoint and a social standpoint, and looking at how the nation is moving in a particular direction, and it will involve a consultative process. So it's not just persons in a locked room, say, creating a piece of legislation, but typically should involve a broad-based approach where there's stakeholder involvement, there are consultations, so persons will be fielded questions in the community. What do you think about this piece of legislation? How does it affect, do you think it may affect you now or in the future? How may it affect future generations to come? So it's not an ad hoc piece of tabling for bail, so to speak.